Standing by the corner of 16 and 48, the center of Borough Park, by the massive ParCare building. Laten we eens even kennen treffen in Zanunti dit Yidi. We zullen ons erin wazen doen inside the building. Yidi, Shalom Aleichem. Hashem, was machst du? So good to be here. Me heet in alle gases van een riesige building ParCare, center of Borough Park. It looks from the outside gorgeous. Neem eens around, laten we even dit zich doen inside. Let's go. Giddy, let's go for it. Laten we zien wat dit zich in the building.
Look who's telling you hi.
Oh wow, Uncle Moshe is here to welcome us. This is a beautiful waiting area, Diamanet. Gorgeous waiting area, fish tank, so tashlich from the sea, beautiful waiting area, shine, bakveim, colorful, kids friendly. Laten we zien wat do food. Giddy, let's start walking through and show us a little what you have in there.
Come on. Okay, so this room is over here, our podiatrist.
Okay.
We do podiatry here. We pretty much have Monday through Friday. We have podiatrists.
Really?
And we some many doctorum, infraround doctorum for podiatrists. Aside from ingrown toenails, any other specialty that's necessary for podiatry.
Beautiful, okay.
In this room over here, we have dermatology.
Dermatology?
Same thing. We have.
I never gezocht dat boche gerade. He came over here, dat zag acne. He came in and he walked out with a clean up on him.
Ja, and some nasach machinery for them, alle Sachen, and some get equipment do.
Wow.
Sci-fi, wart removals.
Acne,
cysts,
with all skin, any skin issues.
Any type of issues.
That's amazing.
Correct. Let's continue on.
Grappig, Giddy, a second. Ich liebe die große Fensters, du. Es ist lichtig, es ist breit. Die sind Chantaran, es bringt daran als ein Vibe, du.
Sure.
Also ich kann Moggi, einer geht zu dem Doktor, sagen muss, es ist du, es ist eine Lichtigkeit, beautiful.
Absolutely. Okay, du hast noch exam rooms, du hat man in some of the gases, some GI doctor, was can do?
A GI on site?
GI, das ist Magdem Red wegen hier, das macht
Magdem allemaal busy met de colonoscopy.
So du tippen the visits for them and noch dem, the colonoscopy wird getan at Surgery Center, this is a bekannte doctor, very famous doctor that we have, that comes here to does the endos.
Beautiful, wow.
Okay, this exam room over here, we have the endocrinologist, Dr. James Warshaw, solid, everybody knows, there's a big lack in need of additional endocrinologists.
Yeah.
Dr. Warshaw, amazing doctor, came from that Cornell Hospital. He says he wants to come serve his own community.
Really?
And Baruch Hashem, this is where he's servicing our community.
So nice. In the community service in Borough Park.
Exactly. So here we do have Dr. Sunshine. Good morning, Dr. Sunshine. Dr. Sunshine.
Good morning, doctor. Good to see you.
He happens to be a urologist that came in as well.
Oh, wow.
We had one of the rabbis over here working in collaboration together with Dr. Sunshine. Very friendly professional. Came here to service the Borough Park community.
Thank you, doctor, for being here for the community.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Okay, this is another exam room over here. We do have ultrasound as well in this room, so we have regular ultrasounds that we perform as well, appendix for kidney stones, etc.
Really? So you're saying we don't...
Okay, let's continue and show you around the additional specialties that we have here. In this room over here, we have a cardiologist, Dr. Neuberger, Naftali Neuberger, a very famous doctor.
Famous Neuberger?
Famous Naftali Neuberger works here.
Wow, from Manis Hospital.
So in his private office, he sees the commercials and cash, and all the Medicaid patients he sees in this office.
Wow.
So that's a new...
So if I'm not Medicaid, this is really the only way to get it.
Right. We're here to service Borough Park, the underserved community with all medical needs possible.
Wow.
Over here we have additionally primary care. We do have an internal medicine doctor that comes here, Dr. K, Dr. Karadnim, Haimish Yid from Flatbush that came here to serve the community. Additional alongside together with Dr. Dina Mizrahi.
The ganze Zeit do ein goal to service the community. Borough Park darf a Gitte Medical Center. This is something that's needed there.
Annual visits.
Annual visits. We make them always pushes annual visits, and you have that here.
However, mention mij because das in Borough Park and ich do the services. It's schwer. Du hast in Center Borough Park.
Jetzt gehen wir was in Borough Park. Ja, do in the center.
I'll just show you one more room over here.
Yeah.
This room over here is we have the pediatric division.
Okay.
We have Dr. Chaya Kessler that comes here.
Oh, wow, from Flatbush.
Yes, she has worked.
Yeah, I know.
In a pediatrician's office. Yes, great doctor. She came into service.
Wow,
here,
that is amazing.
Sunday through Thursday.
Top-notch doctors, top-notch service, top-notch quality. Beautiful, nice area.
This is our nursing station over here.
What are those machines over there?
Those machines basically is when we have testing, anybody that comes in here for strep, flu, COVID, etc. We do not have to send them out to laboratories. We have molecular machinery testing over here in-house, so we don't have to wait overnight to get the results.
Saying overnight this history, da warten bis morgen zu hören, so kann keine Geide, das ist right away on the spot.
Right away on the spot, kannst du beklicken, 10 Minuten später hast du da results. It was in a molecular testing that is a very strong
legit
benefit.
testing, it's not just a nose swab.
It's not a rapid test.
It's not a rapid test.
This is molecular testing that they do in the laboratories. It gives out the same type of results.
Amazing, Yidi.
Okay,
let's go to the next department.
Let me take you down to the basement to show you the additional services we have here.
Wow, Yidi, this is something next level.
This is something new in Borough Park. Borough Park never had such a center that everybody can get glasses covered by Medicaid. Not one glass that's hidden in the back, old design, and if you don't want this, pay $300 and get a different one. However, here we have all these frames. Everything in this store is covered by Medicaid, every single frame. We just received another shipment that should be unpacked this week of additional styles. If you look,
this is unbelievable. For children. This is every type, every color, every class, and this is all for
Medicaid for Borough Park community.
Most glasses stores you have up in the corner in the box, some old peers for Medicaid. Over here, everything you see on the walls, everything is Medicaid. Everything all around you.
Rimless, half rim, full frame.
I love the styles here. It's really, really nice stuff. Come on, you have from Democrat to Republican, from Chassidish to Heimish. You even have the black and white glasses. For the good Chassidish, you have the rimless. You have all types, all colors. Wow, this is really amazing. So I love the fact that the kid feels like this is he's coming to a glasses store. He doesn't have to feel like a schnorr in the back corner.
I think this book is the beautiful
this is a Machanaim book.
Ja. Das ist ein Teil für Tzadikim. Weiß gar Maße, wie ein Kind ist heimgekommen und sagt, Tata, ich kann nicht lernen geht.
So this is a see-through book?
It's a see-through book, correct. Interesting book.
See-through is a
worthwhile to come pick it up.
ParCare.
Good bedtime story.
Good bedtime story. Pick it up. You get it for free when you buy a pair of glasses. So everything is free. Man kommt ran, a glass mit a book mit alles. Wow, okay, let's go to the next division. Let's move on. This is just amazing what you're doing for the community.
Yes.
Wow, Yidi, this was something. This is a gold mine in Borough Park. Ich meine, ich habe allemaal gesehen, die riesige Building. Ich habe kaum gewusst, was inside. So, bring me inside and mich wazen, what Titzel do inside. Ich meine, the stuff the offers do, keine hat es nicht. Ich meine, from primary care, pediatrics, podiatry, dermatology, urology, from the Dr. Neuberger from the cardiology, the gastro, ich meine, this was Maktam is allemaal busy mit, endocrinology, nephrology, the physical therapy, the glasses, the seat show, Yidi, hast du was zu beweisen, du?
Baruch Hashem, ich meine, this is a product that Borough Park never had in the past. I think, obviously, starting off with primary care, everybody understands the importance of having a primary care doctor. Going to a doctor that will review your labs, look what we could do to improve your labs, look at your blood pressure, how was last year, how is it going to be this year, how we can improvement. There's a lot of primary care importance that people need to do on a yearly basis for annual visits. That's what the primary care that we have over here, that is in that internal medicine, that's in the adult side of it, and as well in the pediatric division.
So Chabaru can come and see the doctor for his child and the doctor for himself at one time.
Absolutely, schedule an appointment with both of them at once.
So you open 6 days a week, Sunday through Friday. Make an appointment. The number is 718-840-3535.
That's
Kimaran,
That's 718-840-3535.
Kimaran. Walk-ins as well, yeah?
Yes, walk-ins are as well accepted over here. Obviously, with appointment, the wait time is usually better controlled with appointments. However, we're accepting walk-ins, and we have the special part of this is that you have primary care that works alongside with all the specialties. So you have a primary care doctor working along with a GI and other specialties. Cardiology and all the specialties.
That's amazing. Thank you, Yankee.
Take it.
You cannot miss this building, right? You're passing 17th and 48?
16th Avenue.
16th and 48, sorry. It's so big you can see it from 17 already.
Yeah.
It towers over Borough Park, but stop in here today.